Do you want to make money on YouTube? To do that, you need 4,000 watch hours. That sounds like a big mountain, right? Most people take years to climb it. But what if I told you that your phone can climb that mountain for you while you are sleeping? I found a secret loophole using a simple playlist. It's like a watch time machine. Today, I will show you how to turn it on in just 2 minutes. But wait, you have to be careful. If you do this the old way, YouTube will think you are a robot and might take your hours away. I almost lost my progress because I didn't know the device rule. I will show you how to stay safe in step 3. If you mix this, you are just wasting your battery. I am a beginner just like you, so I made sure that this is safe for all of us. We are all trying to get monetized together. Let's help each other. Click the like button if you want to start making money this year and hit subscribe to join our beginner growth family. Okay, superhero, grab your phone, let's build the machine. This is how we make our watch time machine. Follow me. Wait, step 1, you have to open your YouTube app. Click on your profile picture at the bottom. Step 2, find your videos. Click the 3 dots next to your video. Let's get to step 3. Click save to playlist. Now click new playlist. Step 4, give it a name. Viral trending video, or for example, like my growth journey. It's important. Make sure it is set to public so the computer can see it well. Click on create. Now, playlist created. Now, to add your videos or to add more videos to your playlist, on your YouTube videos, click on the 3 dots, the one you want to add to your playlist, and click on save to playlist. After the 3 dots, a pop-out menu will appear. Select the playlist you want to add to the playlist you saved. Let's use the one we previously saved, viral trending videos. Let's add more videos or one more video for more understanding. So to repeat the process, on your YouTube videos, you click on the 3 dots, the one you want to add to your playlist. After the 3 dots, a pop-out menu will appear. You select the playlist you want to add to your playlist you saved. Then it will be saved in that playlist. You will repeat the steps if you want to add more videos to it. Now, to find your saved playlist, you open your YouTube app, you tap the U icon at your bottom right corner, then you scroll down, you will find your save or created playlist there. To delete a playlist, you tap on the U icon at the bottom right corner. You scroll down, you tap on your playlist, you click on the 3 dots at the top right corner, Then you select delete playlist to delete it. If you are creating a new video and you get to where you choose description, you can select add to playlist to add it to the playlist. Playlist can be arranged in series, for example, live videos, tutorials, and what have you. And you can create as many as you can. Now your videos will play one after the other. This is the bridge that keeps people watching you for hours instead of minutes. YouTube loves people who watch more than one video. If you put your videos in a series playlist, the YouTube computer thinks your channel is a TV show. Meanwhile, it is not. It will start suggesting your videos to more strangers. Go to your YouTube studio and click playlist. Make sure you grab your videos by topic. If you have 3 videos about tips, put them together. It's like a candy box. People can't eat just one. Yes. Here is the safety secret. Do not watch your own videos or your own playlist from your own account all day. That is bad. YouTube will not be happy with you. Instead, share your playlist link with friends and loved ones, or use a different phone in your house. If you don't want to share it with them, you can use different phones in your house. This makes the views look real. If you use your own account too much, the computer gets angry. That is the algorithm. It gets very angry. Stay safe and let's use different doors to your channel. When I started, I had 0 views, 0 hours. I felt like I was walking in the dark. But when I made my first topic playlist, my hours started jumping up every day. It's the best feeling. Create one public playlist with 3 of your videos today. Then go to the comments and type machine. So I know you started your watch time machine. In the next video, I will show you more of it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. I will see you there, my superhero. Watch the next video. Thanks for your time and thank you for watching.